Hey YouTube, what is up? And welcome back to my channel DirectTube. And as you know, the Delta Executor new update is out. And again, I came here to tell you how you can download the newest update for the Delta Executor for your Roblox game. So let me get to this straight to it. In order to get the Delta Executor on your iPhone or Android device, that's pretty simple actually. First of all, what you need to do is open up your Safari or Chrome browser, any which you are using, and go to the address bar over here and go to this website, which is theexecutor.com. So guys, this is the website, and make sure you spell it right. And here's the UI, as you can see here. Delta Executor Mobile 2026, and as here it is. Let me tap on iOS download button. Okay, and the file is being started generating, as you can see here. Securing files, enabling VIP features and other things, and that's how you can actually download the Delta Executor on your mobile device. Okay, I'm almost reaching to the 100%, and it's been done here. Let me open up my Delta Executor again here and open up the Blocks root so that I can show you the preview of the Delta Executor if you have not seen it yet. And here you see, okay, pirates mode, okay, and you see here I have got in the pre-injected script for the 99 Nights in the Forest, like Forge Hub and Ether Hub and OP and other thing. And here you see the version of the Delta Executor I'm using here, and script blocks. Here you search for the scripts, various scripts for the blocks for any game you're using for the hacks and other things. And here's the setting part, as you can see here: anti-scam, disable Roblox and other things. And that's here the console part. Okay, Roblox console, Delta console, and here you see. And that's how you get the Delta Executor, and that's the pretty easy method you will find around the YouTube. So don't forget to like the video and comment to the channel and subscribe to the channel. Okay, thanks for watching guys.